Hey y'all, so right now I'm getting into the video. This recording was an hour long and I just wanted it to be under 10 minutes. So right now I am just taking a red paint and I'm just putting it into the lines of my hands. You know, just like your detailed lines that are in your natural hands. Just go ahead and cover that up with the red paint. And you're gonna do this until you're satisfied. Alright, so the next thing I am going to grab is my liquid latex. If you don't have liquid latex, you can easily just use eyelash glue, and it's really inexpensive. So what I'm gonna do here is just make circles and different types of shapes that you would see on a natural burn, and you'll just go over and over and over. I think I did about 10 or 12 layers. You can use a blow dryer as well to make it dry fast. It doesn't take long, but if you're impatient, you can use your blow dryer. Okay, so now at this point, what you can do is just take your tweezers, if you have tweezers, just pull up the inside of the circle. You want the other side to stay smooth, so it can blend in with your skin. And you're just pulling it up, each and every one of them, and it'll just look like holes in your hand. That's the point. That's what we're looking for. So that's just what we're doing at this point. So at this time of the video, what I'm doing, I came in with a darker red that looks more fresh blood looking, and I went around the circle, just leaving the inside actually still flesh colored. So you just, framing your bruises. You're just looking outside of your bruises. Right here, if you have like a yellow powder, like eyeshadow or setting powder, that's what I use, I believe. And I just dabbed it on the inside. You know how your bruises look? They're a little yellow from the fat in your hands and your body. So that's where that comes in. Okay, as you've seen, I also picked up Vaseline, and that's how I got the glossy, fresh burn look. Just take you some inexpensive Vaseline and just spread it all over your hand. Make it look really smooth so that it can all look wet. You want a really wet look, and that will bring in the entire look. Everything will just come together really, really smooth. Alright, and that is the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, just make sure you like and subscribe. And if you have any questions for me, just leave them down in the comments, or you can email me.